Deck, you just love a big Champions League night in N5, didn't you?
Incredible. Yeah, Bayern Munich at home, another big win and another one of these, so I'm very happy.
I get it. I don't know. Right?